Glass Straws Clear 9x10mm Reusable Straws 4-pack with Cleaning Brush by JimJim. These are some of the best straight glass drinking straws thanks to their durability and environmental benefits. The Glass Straws Clear 9x10mm Reusable Straws 4-pack with Cleaning Brush by JimJim come in the pack of 4, along with a cleaning brush. They don't feature any Bisphenol A, which is harmful with both cold and hot drinks. Instead, JimJim straws are made of borosilicate glass that's free of BPA, lead, phthalates, heavy metals, and other toxins. Unlike paper alternatives, these are entirely reusable. Simply put one in your bag or purse to have it on hand at all times. Don't be afraid to carry them around since they are shatter-resistant. They can endure hot temperatures as well as cold. Each of the straws is dishwasher safe, though you can scrub them yourself with a light brush that's included. Plus, since you get 4 of these, give one to your sibling or friend and have them ditch plastic straws too.